Just 25, her whole life ahead of her, but a life already mapped out, dictated by tradition and the demands of service.
Dream, dream, dream.
Rose and Edna, her contemporaries, their lives freer, but they told me always linked to the woman who was their queen.
With all your charms, whenever I want you, all I have to do is dream.
You've gone through so many wars, you've gone through so many crises, and you still kept the same dignity that you had when you first walked down the aisle with the crown.
Her childhood, a permanent apprenticeship for her role.
I feel that I am speaking to friends and companions.
Here at 14, rallying the spirits of young evacuees at the beginning of the war.
And when peace comes, remember, it will be for us, the children of today, to make the world of tomorrow a better and happier place.
1943.
Right now, and we should tell people this is the 9th busiest airport in America, so expect some delays and backup. We should also tell you we are hearing from other witnesses too who have just gotten off that flight, who were able to get off and get onto buses, and they have been bussed to the terminals now. 2 people have minor injuries. Amazing, though, when you see those pictures. I mean, you had people talking about they thought they saw an explosion. They certainly saw the fire that you're looking at now. That fire is out, and now the investigation will go on. We know that this plane was supposed to be leaving Las Vegas and heading to London Gatwick. It never got off the ground. The crew, the pilot stopping this plane when that fire happened, and also from witnesses that it appeared that the fire started in an engine. They saw certainly the engine on fire, lots of flames coming from that, but a dangerous situation. A lot of people thanking God that they made it safely off of that plane, Anderson.
And sir, just to be clear, this aircraft did not take off at all. This fire occurred while it was still taxiing on the runway.
That's right. That's what we're hearing from British Airways, who talked about the fact that the crew aborted their takeoff when they noticed what was going on. Everyone got to safety. 14 crew members and 159 passengers, all brought to safety. 2 people with minor injuries. And you'll see from the pictures there, Anderson, I mean, you can see people jumping down that slide, exactly what's supposed to happen when something like this happens inside of a plane, where people are evacuated. Then suddenly you see the fire trucks coming up and spraying the area. But a very dangerous situation, as you know, on a plane with all that smoke and fire. It can be very confusing and terrifying for people to try to find their way out. But it looks like the crew did a great job getting people off, and people are safe tonight because of that.
And sir, the witness we talked to, Bradley Hampton, who was on another aircraft, said it looked like it was